Today's tip is about galangal, which is also called langquas in this part of the world. It looks like ginger, but it definitely cannot be substituted with ginger. So, galangal has a mild peppery taste. You can peel and slice it like this and use it in your gravies. Or Indonesians like to, you have to be a little careful, it's hard. And you get rid of this. Should be, of course, washed and dried. And then you give it a pound to release flavors. And this is added to the soups and curries. In places where it's not easily available, wrap it in an aluminium foil to prevent freezer burn and store it in freezer bags. I hope this tip is useful. I'll come back with some more tips. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.